Sige, Lek. Synchronize.
Okay. To synchronize the generator, make sure that the generator to be synchronized is turned on, which is in our case is diesel generator number 2, and our service generator in the setup is generator number 3. Now, first thing to do to synchronize the generator 2 to generator 3 is to balance the hertz. Okay. Instead of synchroscope, we are our generator 2 and 213 is using a synchrolight. Synchrolight, which means this will indicate if it's balanced. The light will slowly fade away when it is balanced from the hertz of incoming generator and the service generator. So the hertz of the service generator is 50.5. Okay. So we need to balance the generator 2 hertz with 50.5 hertz also. Okay. Now, take note that the circular light will be slowly fade away to make sure that the hertz from the service generator and the incoming generator is balanced.
Lek.
Okay.
What's next?
As it slowly fade to no light, you will press the start button so that the incoming generator will be synchronized to the service generator. Now once it starts, you will notice the incoming generator is turned on, the same as the service generator. Now once the service incoming generator is turned on, you will balance the load from the kilowatt meter. Controls the load of the generators.
Yung balance synchronizing 2 generator 2 and 3.